Hi folks, here is a little article that appeared in the Dallas Morning News. This article is about a recent law that took effect in France. Vive la France! That's right folks. Now before I get into this article, please understand I am in no way criticizing the French for this law that they passed. I just offer this video as a curiosity and to contrast it here in the United States. The laws you pass in France, that's your business. That's your problem there. You want to pass such laws. And the reason why I'm not criticizing, like I said, I'm not French, I don't live in France, and I happen to like President Sarkozy, especially his selection for his wife. That's right. Whenever I see his wife, the first two things come to mind. Vive la France and Vive la Italia, because she's of Italian descent. Back to the article. The article prohibits people from covering their face in public places. It's a generic banning, but it's aimed at people of the women of the Muslim faith, Islamic women, who cover their face up with veils in their bodies, and you'll see just the slits for their eyes to come out, or some of them just cover their head and whatever. And it's against the law in France to wear that, and they're saying that it's subject to a fine. I think like something like $400, $400 something dollars a fine if you're out in public wearing that. But it doesn't specifically say people of Muslim faith, Islamic, or women. It just says anybody. So, in other words, you could be a Catholic walking down the street, wear that thing over your face, and you're subject to a fine. But everybody basically knows who the law is aimed at. Now, the law only calls for the person given a citation, a fine, for wearing the veil over their face. But in this article, a couple of people were arrested wearing it when they demonstrated in front of St. Patrick's, in front of Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris. And they weren't arrested because they wore the veil. They were arrested, you ready for this? Because it was an unauthorized demonstration. That's number two of my concern. The first one is the law outlawing the covering of your ugly face or pretty face would never pass the constitutional muster here in the United States. Now sure, you have to have your full face for a driver's license, passport, boarding an airplane. But to walk down the street, you can cover your ugly face up. As a matter of fact, we encourage a lot of people. Hey, I heard that. No, I don't cover my ugly face up. Anyway, unauthorized demonstrations. That's another object that would not pass the constitutional muster here in the United States also, because we have the right to peacefully assemble for a redress of grievances against our government. We can demonstrate, we can cover our face. Apparently in France, if you demonstrate, it has to be authorized, and you better not cover your face. I'm not criticizing the French. That's in France. Just comparing. Alright folks, we'll see you. God bless you, God bless America, and God bless the nation you happen to be in. See ya.